Hello, gals and guys. Mr. Ambrose here with just a quick video on another way to how you can perhaps uh, place your oval and rectangle into your entire program code. And I'm going to do this via Google Docs, which you can naturally access, your Google Docs on your Chromebook. So what you can do is obviously you should have all your program code complete. Open up a blank Google Doc and then copy and paste your entire program into that blank um, Google Doc. And so here is, say that this here is just a portion of your code that is, let's say, your algorithm that you want the oval round. So I'm just going to copy that particular set of code that is my algorithm. Do the same thing if it was your abstraction. And then I'm just going to move the cursor down below just because what I'm going to do next is going to place this code with the oval or the rectangle around it right here. And so what I'll now do is I will go to hit Insert, Drawing, and New. And then in this particular place here, what you want to do is you want to first open up a text box. And I've selected that. And so now I just hit my mouse and I'm now creating a text box, and you can make this as big as you like. And from here now I'm going to paste my code into this text box. You could have made this rectangle as big as you like or as big as need be to highlight or get all your program, that is your algorithm, your abstraction, into this text box. And even if it's too big or too small, you can adjust the size of this text box, but I would recommend that you just have your box, snug around that particular program code. And now from here, if this is my algorithm, right, I want to have an oval around this particular code. So if you now go up to this icon here, which when you put your mouse over it, it says shape. If you click on that and then highlight the shapes, and right down here is this circle option, which is going to be an option for an oval. So now I can create an oval in this drawn box, and I'm just going to draw that oval. Initially draw an oval that's around that text, and you can adjust the size of this as you like. But the thing to notice right now is that this is now blocking out that particular text code. So you want to then, with that oval highlighted, click on this little, looks like a little bucket of paint, which says fill color, and then click on that, and then just hit the option for transparent. And now you can see your particular code, and then you can move um, the oval around that particular code, and then you're good to go for your algorithm. If you need a rectangle, right, you can, instead of selecting the oval, right, you can go into shapes and then hit a rectangle, and then you should be able to draw out a rectangle. And I don't think you have to worry about making the rectangle transparent, because I think it naturally is transparent. You can just fit that over there if that was your abstraction. I'm just going to delete that away, move back my oval over my code. And now that you have your code, your respective algorithm or your abstraction with the oval or the rectangle respectively around it, once you have that all set up, you can just hit save and close. And then now that you should see that in your code. And then, this particular code here that was in your Google Docs, you can delete that out so that that's gone. And you now have that code with the oval or, again, the rectangle around it. And if you need to move this around, you can do so. This wrap text option here will allow you to perhaps move your code around if need be, and then you can move things around accordingly, however you need it to be to look nice, so that you have your algorithm, your abstraction, whatever it is, with your code surrounding it. Okay, and then from here, once you have, again, those two shapes in your particular code all set up, you can then, to save this as a PDF file, right, you can just hit File, download, and then select the option for PDF, and then that will download that whole program code as a PDF file onto your Chromebook, and then you'll have that ready to be uploaded to the College Board site as part of your Create performance tasks. So I hope that this video helped you with being able to put in your oval and rectangle into your program code using an alternative method. If you have any other questions, please let me know. And good luck with the finalizing of your project and uploading everything to the College Board site. Please, please make sure to do so. Don't wait till the very last minute because it does take a little bit of time. So please give yourself enough time to upload everything properly to the site. And so good luck with all that. And I hope that you're able to, somewhat enjoy your weekend. And as always, please take care, stay safe, and I will talk to you soon.